record keeping. This is Marcus.
Hey Marcus, how you doing? I'm sorry for been playing phone tag.
No, it's all good. It's all good. I know you're a busy man.
Okay. I got a couple questions reference this writ of discovery.
Certainly. Let me pull this.
Are you a practicing attorney?
I'm sorry.
Are you a practicing attorney? Are you an attorney?
No, I'm not a practicing attorney. I'm attorney. In fact, for him, I have power of attorney in deciding or talking to any attorney if he should decide to hire one. Other than that, I'm just doing what he asked me to do. Like, I'm doing the things that he's asking me to do regarding the case.
Welcome to another episode of Legal Logic Gone Wrong. Today, we've got a full-blown sovereign citizen circus. A man with zero credentials calls a real court, trying to insert himself into a felony case. He's convinced that a power of attorney turns him into a licensed lawyer, and the confidence? Unmatched. But as we'll see, the law doesn't bend to imagination. Stick around, because this call goes from confusing to catastrophic, fast. From misused legal jargon to full-on denial. This is one of the boldest displays of misplaced confidence you'll ever hear. Buckle up. This one's wild.
I do have an understanding of law. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
I'll shut up and you better talk.
I'm sorry. My brother-in-law's an attorney, and I've been studying law for many years. I'm not I'm not like a bar attorney where I go and I practice law on behalf of other people. But I have an understanding. I don't hire attorneys for myself. And Patrick just asked me to, cause it was hard for him. I guess it's hard for him and I to talk. And it's certainly even harder for us to talk in private about anything with the case. So I have a limited knowledge. I only have, what I got from the Freedom of Information Act, and I guess I'm about to talk to you now.
Okay. Fine. Well, under the Freedom of Information Act, I can provide you a report.
Yes.
Okay, which we have. But to provide you any evidence or anything of that nature of the case itself, I can provide it to him under Rule 5 if he wants to request it under as pro se for the court. I can provide him that, but he's going to have to send me a letter requesting a Rule 5, and I would be happy to provide it to him. I'm unable to provide it to you since you're not an attorney.
Well, I'm an attorney. In fact, I sent the power of attorney. So that's lawfully binding. That's lawfully.
And here's where the legal delusion really begins. The caller believes an ICE situation somehow validates his authority to act as counsel. It's a kind of logic that only works in sovereign citizen land, where the dictionary is optional and confidence replaces credentials. He's throwing around buzzwords hoping to sound legitimate, but every sentence digs the hole deeper. Viewers, what would you do if someone like this claimed to represent you in court? Let us know below, because this legal rep couldn't navigate a parking ticket, let alone a felony case.
Yeah, well, I've checked with our county attorney, and he said it would be better if we received.
Well, can you put me in contact with your county attorney then?
No, sir. I deal with these things.
Yeah, but that's on what. All right, well, what you're trying to do now is unlawful. What you're trying to do now is unlawful because I have power of attorney.
Marcus, if you ask him to just send me a letter requesting a Rule 5, I'll be happy to provide that information to him. No problem. Okay. I can do that. That's what I'm trying to save. Just saving a lot of time and effort. If you just send me something requesting, God dang it, Mark, cut it out.
Okay.
If you send me that, I'll be happy to provide it to him himself. Okay, but I can't provide it to you. Okay.
I have power of attorney in the case.
That doesn't make a difference. I can't send it to you, sir. And I've talked to the arresting officer, and asked him to get in contact with Mr. King and see and speak about the matter itself, and tell him the same thing, that if he sends me a Rule 5 with his name.
Yeah, but see what we were saying. You said he can. So basically, you want him to have a temporary bar card, which is what pros.
Now he's quoting the Freedom of Information Act like it's a universal skeleton key. But here's the truth. FOIA doesn't grant access to active criminal case evidence. That's protected information. What's unfolding is a masterclass in misunderstanding. The clerk handles it with grace, but you can almost hear her patience thinning. The sovereign community loves mixing random statutes into unrelated contexts. And this clip is Exhibit A. He's not practicing law. He's practicing delusion.
I want him to move on behalf of his own estate after he gave me power of attorney. That's why he gave me power of attorney.
Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm not going to argue with you,
sir. I know the law. I know the law. I know the law. I know the law. So you're trying to flim-flame me right now. I haven't do it, but you're trying to flim-flame me right now. You're trying to lie to me right now. That's not respectable, sir. It's not respectable.
I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah, you're being dishonorable. We'll do the.
I'm not trying to be dishonorable, and I apologize.
You're being dishonorable, sir, because I know the law. Now I know you're being dishonorable, but we'll do what you ask. We'll do what you ask. What you need to do?
That'd be great. If he sends me a Rule 5, sir, I'll be happy to provide to him directly.
Well, he's not moving. He's not moving pro se right now. So what is it? A Rule 5?
He represents himself.
Okay? Yeah, but he's not represent. It's a fictional law that he's representing. That he's the surety for. We already know the surety.
Is this a sovereign citizen type?
There's no types. There's no. Okay. He has the right to stand on his rights as a man. He has the right. Look, everybody's moving securities through titles, colorable titles. Has nothing to do with. It has to do with actually goes on. It's all. It has to do with actually going on.
If you did a favor, have him send me a letter requesting it. We'll be happy to provide him, but I cannot provide to you directly. So, okay.
Okay.
Well, all right. Thank you, Marcus. Have a great day, sir.
Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I had a quick question. Do you have the number to the? Oh, this is Marcus again. I'm sorry. Do you have the number? Do you have the number to the Treasury Department?
No, sir. I sure don't. I don't deal with Treasury officers. That's feds.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you guys are transferring securities for titles. I
don't deal with feds. No, I don't deal with them all, sir.
But do you guys deal with the? Do you guys deal with the rules of federal procedure?
At this point, our attorney in fact declares his power of attorney is lawfully binding, demanding access to case files. The irony? Power of attorney gives you limited decision-making ability, not a legal pass to practice law. He's essentially yelling, I read a form, therefore I'm a lawyer. It's a bold but doomed approach. You can't self-promote into bar membership. This is the courtroom equivalent of trying to fly by flapping your arms. All motion, no altitude.
Yeah, but the state has to, I mean, the rules.
No, I don't deal with Treasury.
So do they deal with the rules of civil procedure in the court?
Yeah, you have to ask them, sir.
Well, what jurisdiction of the courts are we working in for the court hearing tomorrow?
Yeah.
He has a court hearing tomorrow?
If he does, it's a magistrate hearing, right, for possession of marijuana?
It just says session. It doesn't say. It just says in
it's a general sessions. Then he has to go appear for general sessions, I guess.
It says general sessions.
There you go. That's general sessions, yes, sir. That's local. That's not bad. It's not federal.
Is that tomorrow?
State charge, just state charge, sir. I have no idea when that court is, sir.
Yeah, but normally the state, even the state, like they operate under the rules of federal procedure. Or
sir, I don't know what you're trying to drive. I don't know if he's got something in court tomorrow for general sessions. I suggest you go.
Yeah, but it's the rules of court. So I was saying, what the rules of court? Do you know the rules of court that they're using for the court hearing tomorrow?
No, sir. I sure don't. What they're using.
Okay. I mean, do you guys?
If he sends me a letter for his Rule 5, I'll be happy to provide that information to him, sir. Okay.
So okay.
I just can't provide to you. That's all. That's all.
Okay. Can I speak to the attorney?
No, sir. He's not here.
Yeah. Do you have the number to the attorney for the case?
No, sir. I deal with this. Okay, and this is my job.
Well, no. We need to talk to the attorney in the case.
I've already confirmed it. There's nothing to do with this.
Sir, you're not mentioned in the paperwork at all. You're not mentioned in the paperwork at all, sir.
Now it's getting uncomfortable. When logic fails, he tries authority, accusing the clerk of being dishonorable and unlawful. Classic sovereign move. When the facts don't fit your fantasy, call everyone corrupt. But the clerk? Calm as a monk. She knows exactly what's happening and refuses to bite. This is where you see the difference between training and talking points. The court staff deals in evidence. This guy deals in echo chambers. Comment below. Do you think this level of delusion deserves a warning or a fine?
What?
You're not mentioned in the paperwork at all. So you're telling me that you're dealing with it, but you're not mentioned in the paperwork. You're not the affiant. You're not the attorney.
Sir, I'm an administrative captain.
Okay, who's the attorney? Who's the attorney for the affiant? The
It
attorney,
would be the solicitor's office be prosecuted, sir.
solicitor's
And you're
office.
more than welcome to contact the solicitor's office for it, okay?
And okay, the solicitor for this case. Is that who? That's who?
14th Judicial.
14th Judicial. Do you have that number?
No, sir, sure don't.
All right. Thank you for your time, sir.